We all know that speaking English daily is important, but sometimes it can feel hard to even start. You might think, what should I talk about today? That's exactly why we've designed the 30 Days Self-Speaking English Challenge. In this challenge, we give you a simple, relatable situation from your everyday life, along with a way to describe it while doing that activity. This approach helps you learn easy, everyday vocabulary, and gradually get used to speaking English naturally. So, without further delay, let's move on to another everyday moment that you can describe while doing it. Day 4, when I iron my clothes. Whenever I iron my clothes, I first take out the ironing board and place it in a comfortable spot. Then I plug in the iron and wait for it to preheat. While it's heating, I usually check the garment pile I need to do. Some are shirts, some pants, maybe a dress or a t-shirt. I start with a shirt. I spread it carefully on the ironing board, making sure there are no folds. I move the hot iron slowly across the fabric, pressing out the creases. Sometimes steam comes out, and I can hear the soft hissing sound, which tells me it's working effectively. I pay extra attention to the collar and the sleeves, because they often get the most creases. Then I turn the shirt over and do the back. It takes a little patience, but when I see the even surface, it feels satisfying. Next, I pick up trousers. These are heavier, so I usually press them a little longer. I line up the seams properly to make them look sharp. Sometimes I add a little mist of water to help with the tough wrinkles. As I go through each piece, I fold the finished clothes neatly, or arrange them on a hanger right away, so they stay tidy. Little by little, the pile gets smaller, and I feel like I'm getting something done. Ironing is not my favorite job, but I like the result. Wearing clothes that look neat and fresh makes me feel more presentable. By the time I finish, I switch off the iron, roll up the cord, and put everything back. Then I take a look at the neat stack of clothes and feel organized for the next day.